right, and so it begins. Juan's pond, and I can't tell you guys how happy I am to do this for him. You know, and I think I mentioned it before, but the guy's been super good to us, and he wants it, and he deserves it, and he needs it. And so to come in here and be able to be a part of his project really means a lot to me. And he's kind of giving me a blank slate. He's like, yeah, you know, I trust you, just whatever. You know, I'm happy that you're gonna help. So anyway, this is just the beginning. I just wanted to start cutting out kind of the shape on the island here just because I had a few minutes left in the day, and so I wanted to start shaping it up. There's already kind of a little high spot over there, high on the edge of that row thinning. I don't really know why, but it's there. So I'm taking advantage of that, but I'm doing, you know, just like I had to do at my place. Juan's property floods just the same. And so the first thing I have to do to open this pond up is I've actually got to go and build a levee around the edge all the way, just in case we get a rain. I mean, my hope, Lord willing, is that, you know, by the end of the week, this is basically done. But just in case it's not, I have to start working on building that levee. And that, you know, I've gone about as far as, I mean, I can go further over there, obviously. Gone about as far as I can go right here because I've got this pile of saw logs in the way. Still got a pile of burn logs in the way. But I can move that stuff in just a couple of minutes. I just, like I said, I had a couple minutes to just kind of work on it. But anyway, I'm opening up a little island for him, and this just kind of came to me while I was working. I thought, you know, why not? You know, it's kind of back here in this little corner of the pond, and so I left this one pine tree and one sweet gum. Which sweet gum, you know, not a great tree, but hey, it'll be a good shade tree on an island. So I'm just gonna give him a little island there, about 20 foot around, you know, just a place that he can sit and fish, you know, or just sit, you know, if he wants, just to give the pond a little bit of character and not just have it be just a wide open square hole. So anyway, just wanted to show you guys that as the beginning, the birth of the pond. And we'll get these logs cleaned up here tomorrow. I think I can work tomorrow. Get them logs cleaned up and yeah, keep working on this pond and start opening it up, and I'll let you know as we go. All right, witness the birth of another pond. Oh, I know you guys want me to set the camera on a tripod, but I don't know. I get after it and I don't want to stop. But anyway, you can see I've started cutting that bank there. Again, a couple little trees for the island. My goal for today, and it should be absolutely attainable, no problem. I've only been digging for an hour on this, which I started a little bit yesterday. But I went ahead this morning and cut back the rest of the kind of the trench along here to build the levee, and I finished the trench and levee over there, which it's still open over here technically, but by the end of the day that'll be high, so it won't matter. I'm leaving it for right now. The dirt's gonna move that way, so there's no point in digging the trench over there and staying behind me. There's no point in digging the trench over there to mark a perimeter, then just to fill dirt right across it again and move it. So anyway, this was the biggest thing. I want to get the island shaped. So I've got this south bank of the island done. The east bank's not quite as good as I would like. It's a little too, it's just too rough. But I need to get some material out of the way. I didn't have enough space. By the time I backed up to where I could grade it, then I was getting back up on my dirt. So I've got to go over there and get some material out of the way so that I can get down, because I get down in here and I get down on my one track down, and then I just walk backwards and grade it with the bucket. That's how I cut that mess on the slope. So anyway, just figured I'd show you guys this little update. I'm baling back this topsoil. It's going behind me, if I can not kill the machine. It's going over here behind me. We're gonna waste as much topsoil as possible out that way. Of course, the fire is kind of in the way, so about every 30 minutes or so, I'm walking over here and just shoving up the fire, rolling it up, trying to get it burning again. I'd love if this thing could be pretty well burned out by the end of the day. Topsoil is going over here, and then clay is going over there where the house pad will be. So there's my saw logs for what it's worth. Probably should have burned all them too just to get them out of the way, but anyway, I may still, I don't know. I got those, and I got a couple little ones over there that I set out. But anywho, yeah, just wanted to show you guys kind of the progress as we go along here. and I'll give you an update here in a bit.